Hey YouTube friends, Julie here, and today I'm going to be sharing a haul. I literally just got back from Michael's because I went to their clearance section because I heard it was 70% off, and today only they also had an extra 20% off including clearance. Now I know you're not going to see this video until tomorrow, which is Friday, so the 20% off coupon that's good just for today won't be available on Michael's. However, if Joann's or AC Moore has a coupon, Michael's will accept competitor coupons. So I literally just got home. I still have my shoes on, and I don't have a lot of time to record this video, but I wanted to share the things I got because they had plenty supply of most of the stuff. And so you could still go this weekend and get a good deal on fall clearance, whether you still need to decorate for Thanksgiving because maybe you're having people over, or just to save for next year. I typically like to buy, I spent, I don't know, maybe $10 at the Target dollar spot this year for fall decorations, and that's all I've spent. Everything else was either DIY made by myself or stuff I already had, but I haven't bought new stuff in a while, so I thought going to the clearance is perfect. So I'm going to actually even tell you the prices of things. I got a couple things that weren't fall at all. These are in like the front near the register in their grab bag section. I got this wooden cutout that's whitewashed of the United States of America. And I'm number one, a homeschool mom. Number two, we travel a lot, and I've wanted a place where I could put pins or something, magnets, something, of the different places we visited as a family, and I'm going to use tacks. I'm also going to use this and this other one that was also $4. It's the world. I'm going to use these in our basement, which if you've been watching my Vlogtober, you know that I have a huge basement and I am completely reorganizing the whole thing. And after it's all organized, I'm going to decorate. I'm going to put those on the wall. My dog is getting yelled at right now because she's barking probably for no reason. Okay, this was not on clearance either, but these were on sale. 2 for $5. They're candles for Christmas. So, or 2 for $10, I'm sorry. They were $5 a piece. So I ended up getting the pine cone garland, which has a very strong pine cone smell. Actually more like a Christmas tree-ish kind of smell, which because I use a fake tree in the front room, I really like the smell of having a Christmas tree. So I got that one, and then I got the ginger cookie, which smells like a gingerbread man. It smells really good. So those were $10 for 2. Okay, now the clearance, fall clearance. So I found these fall clip lights, but I don't know why, like, they do not have to be fall at all. They're copper with clear little clips, and I'm actually not going to use them for fall. I'm going to keep them and use them for Christmas. I'm not exactly sure what yet for. Maybe I'll use them for hanging our Christmas cards. I typically hang them with little clips and string, Christmas string, but maybe I'll use the lights. That would be really pretty, so I'm going to use those. These were normally $10, and I got them for $3.20, so a good deal. And it's 45 lights and 4 rows, I think, of clips. So, yeah, I'm excited about that one. I got this Hello Fall wooden pumpkin sign. This is normally $14.99, and I got it for $4.80. That's a great deal. And I don't know if this is actually before my 20%. I don't know if this is with the 20% or the 70%. I'm hosting Thanksgiving this year, and I don't think I've ever hosted Thanksgiving at my house. Normally we travel to visit family, and we have a family coming with 3 little kids. So I bought this. This was also on clearance. It's normally $6, not really that big of a deal, and I got it for $1.80. They're just like little wooden, they call them ornaments, but little hangy things, and they have cute little characters, and it comes with markers, and they can color them. Super simple, but something fun for them to do on Thanksgiving. I got this garland. I bought 2 of them. So it has white pumpkins and white sunflowers and some different colored greenery, some creams, beiges, It's really pretty. This is normally $24.99. I bought 2 of them. I don't know, I'm going to keep in the bag. But I bought 2 of them for $7.50 a piece. That is a crazy good deal. Crazy good deal. I am like super excited about this. And I bought these. I probably will not use them this year for anything. I haven't decided on my table yet for Thanksgiving. So maybe I will. But I was thinking even for next year to stock up on, they had tons of ribbon. Tons of fall themed ribbon. And the ribbon I got for 90 cents a piece. And probably my favorite find, although I really like the garland, but I got this red truck filled with pumpkins. Super cute. It's normally $34.99. And I got it for $11.20. It is heavy too. I don't know what it's made out of, but it's a pretty hefty item. I think I'm going to put it on my shelf or something. Haven't decided, but I did buy the last one of these, so there might not be any left of this. Everything else there was plenty of. So even if you go this weekend, I'm sure you'll find some. And I think that's it. So I got all this stuff, including the non-clearance but on sale Christmas candles and the American wooden cutout and the world cutout. Everything $56 including tax, which I think is a phenomenal deal. So I know I'm kind of rushing this, but I don't have a lot of time, but I wanted you guys to know about the Michaels clearance and show you a few of the things they had. They had so much more than this. I just don't need too much, and I didn't want to go crazy. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up if you want to see more things like clearance, because I will be shopping the other stores. I will be doing Marshalls, TJ Maxx. Probably, yeah, I always hit up Pier 1. That's probably it. Those are probably the stores I will hit up and find their clearance within the next week or two and see what they have and let you guys know. So subscribe if you're interested. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys have a great day. See ya.